face the truth about life and deal with it. And a lot of people, when someone in their life that they love very much dies, they allow it to take such a toll on them. They make themselves miserable, and they literally will themselves to die early because they feel without this person they have nothing to look forward to. And no, life has other opportunities, other relationships, other experiences for us. And the people that we love really want us to go on. Other thing is, things are going to happen to you. Here, in order to have a fulfilling life, knowing that things are going to happen, expect the unexpected. Whatever happens to you, use everything for your upliftment, learning, and growth. Everything that happens, use it for your upliftment, learning, and growth. In the midst of it, ask, what can I learn from this? What can I get from this? How did I end up here? What's the blessing in this for me? Ask yourself that, whatever it is. And don't let it go until you get your blessing out of it, because there's a blessing there. There's a lesson there. There's something for you in everything that happens to you for you to learn from that experience. Look at it, examine it, analyze it, dissect it, take it apart until it reveals itself to you. And then get what you need from that and move on. But everything that happens to you. I have a friend, she stutters, and I said, are you taking any special classes to stop from stuttering? She said, no. I said, why? Because it helps my business. I said, how? When I go in to somebody, I say, now, if you're busy, I'll come back because I stutter. And they used to say, oh, no, you can tell me right now. And then she'd say, well, this is my product. And she said, after she goes through it, and if they say no, she said, well, you didn't understand. Let me tell you again. And she they say, oh, no, that's all right. How much you said it is? That's all right. Don't tell me no more. That's all right. Just let me know how much I need to give you so you can get on out of here. So she's turned that stuttering to her advantage. Somebody says, if life give you lemon, write yourself a lemon cookbook. So everything. I have people say to me, hey, I really feel sorry, for you. The fact, it's a shame they labeled you educable mentally retarded. I said, it's okay. I've told this story before. AT&T, Procter & Gamble, McDonald's Corporation, Xerox, they pay a whole lot of money to head, too. What would I have to say if they hadn't done that? Whatever happens to you, turn it to your advantage. So I have now made that a blessing for me as opposed to a handicap. I would prove them wrong by engaging in self-study and consciously working to develop myself. So now they have to ask themselves, what were we thinking about when we labeled this guy? What was going on? And then there are people who look at me and say, wait a minute, this guy, he's labeled it, what? Retarded, you got to be kidding. If he's done what he's done, what could I do with what I got? That's what happens. So when I get through talking and motivating a sales force, they leave there ashamed not to be motivated. Say, that retarded guy can do it. I know I got to do something. They're ready to run out the room, I got to do something up in here. Oh, no. Am I making any sense to you? Huh?